Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Instagram. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram business account. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Instagram on a device. Once you are at the home page, tap the profile icon at the bottom right. Here, tap the hamburger menu at the top right. And on the pop-up, tap Settings. Tap Account. Scroll down, and you will be able to see two options. You can either switch your current account to a professional account, or you can create a new professional account. We will be switching our current account. So tap Switch to Professional Account and tap Continue. Now add in your details, select what describes you the best and toggle on Display on Profile if you want this to be shown on your profile. Tap Done. On this page, tap Business for a business account and tap Next. Here, enter your business details. Enter the business email, phone number, and address. Also, toggle on Display on Profile if you want. Tap Next. You can also choose to connect to Facebook or skip this step. You can now set up your professional account or skip for now. And that's how you create an Instagram business account. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.